Very good evening, jubilant, prosperous, $1 trillion smile-oriented. Good evening to all of you here, there, universe. Dr. Swati Dasri is the Elements of Success. First time in India, mind training, confidence building program along with MFI. Together, we have professionally thought about to deliver to this universe. Today, among the 21 specialized areas, my presentation will remain in public speaking. You might be thinking, what is there to learn about? Why to learn from you or anyone? Why to learn after all? Don't do it. I invite and deliver to this world for people who need it. Anyone and everyone needs public speaking, dear friends. The greatest problems in our lives is we try to be over smart and we try to be feeling and understanding which we really not understand. We lack public speaking. That is the reason we lack growth. Today, even in schools, anyone and everyone needs this public speaking. It's too tough. Very easy but too tough. Easiest things in the world takes a turn, dear friends, to be the toughest one. Why? Because we are not trained. Are you trained to speak in public? If I ask you, how many will raise your hands? I can, without fear, without scariness, in front of anyone. If I call him in front of 5 persons, he will start shivering. If 10, 15, 25, 100, 200, he will run away because your mind is not trained. Public speaking is an art. Another skill, just like communication skills. Just like anything, any attribute like personality development. It has to be nurtured. It has to be taken care. You have to study, you have to learn. You have to go through thorough exercises. It's just not easy. Let us be smart when really we are smart. And when really the smartness is needed for success. Anything for positivity. Public speaking is when you are effortlessly, casually, as I am doing, in front of anyone, you can speak. You can orate, you can express, you can deliver, you can present. That is public speaking. And for that, mental program is needed. Everyone can't go up to the stage. Everyone can't be animated. Everyone can't just be that dynamic to be in the limelight, spotlight or highlight in life. I have seen people with talents and qualities. They shiver. They cannot speak in front of people. They cannot. Even in a family gathering I have seen, if you request, you are very good in your voice, you are singing, they shiver. No, I will not sing today, I will sing any other day, not in front of everyone. That becomes into public speaking. Whether you sing, whether you dance in front of the public, where more people are in front of you. You have to be at ease. Today's world demands, dear friends, communication skills, power of presentation, public speaking. Today's world demands. By today's world, I mean, if you want to grow in any of your profession, wherever you are, you have to move out. You can't sit locked in your room. You can't earn money or be successful. Money comes because of the stability factor. Money comes because commercialization is a very pivotal factor of life. It was before also. Let's discuss. Today we talk more. So public speaking is one of the most eminent part of any exercises all over the world. Today whatever you are, tomorrow you want to grow. Today you are a small businessman, tomorrow you want to grow your business. You have to share your ideas with the public. Maybe PowerPoint presentation, maybe talking with another businessman who has already signed up a ladder above you. You have to take some help, some assistance. You have to keep your staff. You have to deliver yourself to make your staff understand what you want to say. So it becomes a part of the public speaking in public, in front of many people. Let the numbers be any. You can speak as I am doing right now. So I am also in the training inculcating, nurturing, cultivating programs along with mind training and confidence building, because without confidence you can't have public speaking. You can't talk in front of anyone if you don't have the confidence. And confidence comes from the mind. If your mind is not trained, you can't be confident. If your mind is not trained, you can't do public speaking. If your mind is not trained, you can't think positive. If your mind is not trained, you can't self-healing. It's all from the mind. It starts from the mind, it ends from the mind, in the mind, within the mind. And actually there is no end. If I say end, it's wrong. Because it is a spontaneous flow, indomitable flow. Thanking you for bearing, for listening, for hearing. All of you, all age group here. Each and everyone bring their friends, their references, their family members, their colleagues, their neighbors, more and more of all age group. Because a 75, 80 years person also, he also understood, let me go and check myself. Let me go and understand my potential. I'm getting motivated. If you really get motivated by watching my videos, please get in touch. If you get motivated by my words, by the faculties I'm training into, 21 specialized areas, dear friends, and all the segments will be different because I'm updating and upgrading my inputs. My delivery will never be monotonous, I keep this in mind, because it is a motivational speaking, workshop orientation, and everything going on together, online presentation. My each word should have a jerk in your system, in your functioning, in your mind, in your brain. Then only I am successful over here. In Mumbai, in India, at Goregaon, Siddharth Nagar, shooting from a training room. Thanking you. I mean, it's vast, it's indomitable, it's spontaneous, it's continuous, it's rigorous, its research is going on in my life also. Each moment, each day I study, I try to gain more knowledge so that I can deliver to the world's best, to all the people best. 5 million people, individuals, magnum and alaric, no discrimination for me. I want, I desire, I urge, and I believe that I will do it all over the world. I want to train your mind, mental programming, mental faculty training, to bring out and wash out the garbages, the dustbins, the negations, the blocks, the hurdles, the jealousy, the violence, and come out a real human being, whatever you do in life. So that you can feel at the end of the day when you go to sleep, today I am feeling much better than yesterday. Today I am feeling more fulfilled than yesterday, because without a positive mind, your dreams will never be true. It's not possible. So thank you, indebted, grateful for all the things from MFI. Each and every individual in my life. I'm so fortunate for that mother that I'm standing in front of the camera today to the globe and for the globe. Thanking you from my genuine core of heart, my sincere, immaculate, virgin thought process in a form of deliverance to the world, the Mother Earth, the planet. Thank you, the cosmic power which regulates the universe and making things done. Thank you. Really thanks. So much blissful, effervescent, jubilant, prosperous, dynamic, flamboyant, fantastic day ahead. Life ahead. Forever, forever.